Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to tell you some exciting news about the Google Cloud, and this webinar, or you can say this community days program, is hosted by Google Cloud, which is very exciting news for the coders and for the learner of coding and learner of cloud community. So let's see how we can register it and what is the program overall. So mainly it's the program hosted on 22 Jan and 23 Jan 2021 on in online mode only. So here it's written, it is a flagship event organized by 10 Google developer groups communities to help for the students to prepare for Google Cloud certification. So here you can see they have written, they are bringing with an opportunity to learn about cloud technology and Google Cloud certification from the industry experts at the Cloud Community Days India 2021. So it's mainly for India, and they will provide 2 days webinar nearly, and you can also win. They have written earlier, I will show you later. They also mention it here. Our expert will tell you Google Cloud platform, about the Google Cloud platform and Google Cloud certification, and this will help you in accelerating your career towards boosting your knowledge of Google Cloud. So it's mainly 2 days event as I told you earlier, and you will stand a chance to win exciting prizes and have it discount coupons on Google Cloud certification. So you can learn more about this by clicking here, and we are exploring more about this program. Here the theme is of the event is Google Cloud certification, and cloud certification are in huge demand by the industry because there is a huge demand generated due to COVID of data. For storing data we use cloud, and managing all the data for the storage we use cloud nowadays. That's why the demand of cloud is increased exponentially for the industry, and that's why they are also bringing some exciting things to provide you knowledge about the Google Clouds and so many other clouds they are providing. So here what you get, first you get of Quick credits. Quick Labs is mainly a virtual lab which is provided by the Google platform, and you have to register with us in Quick Lab credit. For Quick Lab credits you have to register with Google Cloud, and some participants also stand a unique chance to get Google Cloud certification sponsor. Means some participant also get Google Cloud certification free. Means Google Cloud program for free, no cost. So we shall also reveal some job openings. If some participants have good knowledge after doing Google Cloud certification, they also provide you some internship or job opportunity to their partners, and also they provide you amazing swags and certification of participation planned for you. So you have to register from clicking here, but we can see more if there are something more. So here this is only thing they have mentioned, and you can register it from here or from the above section, that is here. So you have to click on sign it with Google. After that the pop-up come and you have to log in, and yeah, you can log in here and you have to fill the form. I have already filled the form here, so that's why it's not showing. And you can also generate your profile badge here, like you have to upload your image. You have to upload your image nearly. So it's done, and you have to manage it here. You can mention it here, square, circle. So I think it's okay for me, and you can download it from here. So it's all about this registration process, and if you have not done the registration you can register it here, as I have already done the registration. So that's why you can participate in this Google Community Days program, which is hosted in India only, and you can win goodies also if you participate in this event. So it's all about this program. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. Please subscribe the channel for the upcoming videos related to this